What is going on, guys? So today we're taking a look at all three Toyota Tundra sizes that BigToysDirect.com has to offer, so you guys can get an idea of which one to get. All right, so I have all of them parked side by side just so you guys can see the size difference, and I'll do a quick walk around so you can see what the difference is and get an idea of what the size is. So to start off, we have the 24 volt two-seater Toyota Tundra. We have the 12 volt medium, kind of a two-seater, and we have the 12 volt single-seater. Now all of them are absolutely great. The most surprising one is actually the small one. The Mini Tundra just goes. It goes through everything. It keeps up with the rest of them, honestly. So the big one itself definitely doesn't fit through standard doors. If you have to keep it inside, this might be a little big. Now, if you can keep it in the garage, I think it's great. Definitely enough room for two kids to sit in there comfortably and drive. Having the 24 volt drivetrain on it, it has the torque, it has what it needs to basically take two kids anywhere. Now, if you've seen the Project Ghost Tundra video from before, we actually had two kids in this exact model and it was able to handle them really good. My daughter is 3.5 years old and I still feel like I could fit two kids in this Toyota Tundra easily with no issues and be able to drive it around. This one, on the other hand, actually very roomy for a single kid, and the fact that it keeps up with the rest of them is honestly great. The 24 volt Tundra is actually just over 5 feet long, which is pretty big. The medium Tundra is about 4.5 feet, and this little mini Tundra is about 3 feet 9 inches long. So Big Toys Direct actually recommends the Mini Tundra for ages 2 to 4. The 12 volt midsize is recommended 2 to 5, and the 24 volt two-seater is recommended for 3 to 6 years old. As far as weight goes, definitely very light. You could pick it up and take it inside. It is manageable to do it with the mid-size one, and the 24 volt is definitely heavy. You need two people to get this thing to move. Here they all are, starting with the 24 volt two-seater, the 12 volt two-seater, and the single 12 volt seater, the Toyota Tundra Mini. The 12 volt two-seater has a working tailgate that you could open up, as well as the 24 volt has a working tailgate as well. The 12 volt Mini Tundra does not. It still has a little storage compartment in the back, kind of like a bed. So now you guys have seen the size comparison. Let's see what they really can do. Hopefully this gives you an idea of how big they are comparing to each other and makes your decision easier. Thanks for watching, guys. I will see you in the next video. Later.